guys, come along with me on this dreamy 5-star cruise through the stunning Halong Bay in Vietnam. We started our journey with a 2-hour bus ride from Hanoi to Halong Bay City. After arriving, we checked in, handed over our luggage, which went on a different boat, and hopped onto a speedboat that would take us to the actual cruise ship. When we arrived at the cruise, the crew gave us the warmest welcome. The lobby was so elegant, and my room? Wow! Huge bathroom, and yes, the bathtub with a view of Halong Bay. I couldn't wait. And big balcony. First thing I did, filled that tub, sat back, and just chilled. I mean, how often do you get a view like that from a bathtub? And the food, literally every kind of dish you can think of. Plus the dessert table was my happy place. I made myself a plate with all my favorite and handed up to the top deck to eat with this incredible view. One cool thing, these small boats come by and send snacks and drinks up to the crews using baskets. It's wild and super fun to watch. Next up, kayaking. We took a boat and one of the island and kayaked through beautiful caves. It was peaceful and exciting at the same time.
یه دستی
Back on board, it was time for afternoon tea, happy hour, dancing on the deck, and even a Vietnamese cooking class. I filmed some fun TikToks with my Filipino friends, and then we learned to make a special Vietnamese spring roll.
When the people older than 18 years old, if they want to get married, they have to learn how to make this one.
Okay, so get a rice thing out.
Dinner started with a special shrimp soup, light and flavorful. Crispy fried squid with papaya salad and shrimp fresh.
Oh, cigarette.
That's all coming out right now.
Yeah. Oh, that's all coming out now, yeah. Cotton bud. That's pure.
Next morning, I woke up at 6 a.m. and went up to the rooftop garden for Tai Chi. The sun rising over the day was pure magic. After that, we had a light breakfast, just enough to keep us going. Back on board, it was time for a huge brunch. Honestly, I wasn't even hungry, but couldn't resist. If you enjoyed this little escape with me, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I've got more dreamy adventures coming up.